Today, I invite you to explore a perspective that may feel like a revelation, a disruptive truth, unlike anything you've encountered before. It's a perspective that comes from deep within my soul, rooted in my spiritual journey and personal experiences. What I'm about to share isn't just information. It is a transformative insight that has the potential to change how you perceive yourself and the world around you. This isn't merely a new way of thinking, but a new way of being. And as you read these words, get ready for a shift, because what I'm about to reveal is not just thought-provoking, it's life-altering. There are frequencies in this world that don't travel through the air the way sound waves do. These frequencies travel through something much deeper and more personal: your soul, your blood, your very essence. And if you found yourself here, reading this, it's no coincidence. You weren't drawn here by an algorithm or a random search. You were called by the very frequency that has been with you since the beginning of your life. It's the same frequency that pulses through your veins, and it has been guiding you for as long as you can remember. However, throughout your life, others have tried to silence this frequency. They've told you to ignore it. They've told you that the ringing in your ears, the dreams that feel so real, and your deep sensitivity to energy, people, and environments were nothing but distractions. You're too emotional, they've said. That's just a glitch in the body, they've dismissed. But deep down, you've always known that something was different about you. You felt it in your bones, the awareness that you don't fit into the boxes society has created for everyone else. The ringing you hear isn't a flaw, it's an activation. It's a sign that you are attuned to something much greater than the ordinary human experience. Those of us marked with the letter M on our palms, those of us with the crescent moon etched into our hands, are not just ordinary beings. We are the chosen ones, encoded with a divine imprint that activates us when the time is right. And the ringing? It's not random. It's the divine calling. It's a sound that comes to you at moments when the world is quiet, when everything is still, especially at 1:44 a.m., when you lie awake and the tone fills your ears. That is not a malfunction of the body. It's not an issue with your hearing. It's a spiritual ping from the divine realm, a reminder that you are connected to something far greater than the physical world around you. You are attuned to a frequency that others cannot hear. You are on a timeline that doesn't sync with the everyday rhythms of the world. Your journey hasn't been easy. The ringing wasn't meant to make you uncomfortable, but to guide you. It's been your lifeline, calling you to awaken to your true self. You are not here to follow the conventional paths laid before you. You are here to disrupt the noise, to break free from the illusions that have kept you trapped in a cycle of confusion and doubt. Your purpose isn't to fit in. It's to tune into the higher frequency of your divine calling. And if you feel that pull in your chest, if these words resonate deep within your soul, then know this: you are here for a reason. You are one of the chosen ones. The letter M on your palm, the crescent moon etched into your hand, these are sacred symbols, markers of a divine blueprint that has been with you since before this life began. You have been encoded with this frequency to awaken the world, to remind humanity of its true potential. But you're not just a receiver of these frequencies, you are also a transmitter. When you hear the ringing in your ears, when your dreams take on vivid clarity, when your intuition speaks louder than the noise of the world, it's because your soul is aligned with the higher realms. You are receiving messages from the divine, messages that others are not attuned to hear. These are not random events. They are part of your spiritual blueprint. And that ringing you hear? It's not a coincidence. It's your soul's signal, guiding you to align with your higher purpose. You are not here by accident. You are here because you are a frequency carrier, a transmitter of divine energy. When the ringing gets louder, it's not an error. It's confirmation that you are in alignment with your higher self, that you are fulfilling your soul's purpose. Now, I want to take a moment to speak directly to you. If these words resonate with you, if your chest is vibrating with truth, then I invite you to pause and reflect. This message was meant for you. It's not just a random video or a series of words on a screen. It's a call to action, a summons from your soul to remember who you truly are. Subscribe to this space not just because you're looking for more content, but because this channel is a spiritual haven. It's a place for souls like you, souls who have been marked by the divine, souls who are here to awaken the world. And in the comments, tell me your truth. Tell me what you've experienced. What brought you here? This is not about views. It's about building a community of resonance, a space where we can come together and decode the mysteries of our existence. Now, let's dive even deeper. You are not just a passive observer of your own life. You are a frequency transmitter. Every time you hear the ringing, every time you sense a shift in the energy around you, you are tapping into something much larger than yourself. You are a conduit for divine energy, a transmitter of cosmic frequencies that are meant to awaken others. This is why people are drawn to you, why they feel drawn to your energy or drained by it. You are not just living in this world, you are shifting the world around you. And the ringing you hear? It's a sign that you are connected to the divine grid, the spiritual lattice that holds the universe together. When you hear that ringing, it's not just a sound, it's a message, a frequency being transmitted from one realm to another. You are a carrier of that frequency, a divine instrument playing in harmony with the cosmos. This mission is not without its challenges. You've likely felt isolated, misunderstood, and alone at times. People have tried to label you, dismiss your experiences, and make you question your own truth. But that's because they don't understand your frequency. They are not attuned to the divine call that you hear. Your journey hasn't been easy, but it was never meant to be. You were not sent here to blend in. You were sent to awaken the world, to shift the collective consciousness, and to remind others of the divine frequency that runs through their own veins. And here's the truth. The ringing is getting louder. It's no longer just a personal signal. It's becoming a collective pulse, a frequency that is being felt across the globe. More and more of us are awakening to our true purpose, and as we do, the collective frequency is shifting. The ringing is no longer private. It's a universal call to action, and you are a part of that shift. But here's the thing. This journey is not just about you. It's about all of us. We are all connected, all part of this cosmic grid. And as you awaken, you are awakening others. You are a signal booster, amplifying the divine frequency that will lead us all back to our true selves. So when you hear that ringing, don't push it away. Don't silence it. Embrace it. It's guiding you to your next step. It's reminding you of your purpose. You are not alone in this. We are all connected, and together we are awakening the world. Remember, the ringing isn't a malfunction. It's an activation. It's a divine signal guiding you to your true path. And as you continue to listen, you'll begin to see the synchronicities unfold in your life. The universe is speaking to you, and you are listening. Now, as we reach the end of this message, I want you to know that you are not alone. You are part of a divine collective, a community of souls who are awakening to their true purpose. And together, we will shift the world. So if you feel called to, leave a comment below and share your truth. Your experience may be the very thing someone else needs to hear to activate their own awakening. You are not just reading this, you are part of something much bigger. So when the ringing happens again, don't silence it. Pause, listen, and remember who you are. You were chosen for this mission. You were marked for this moment.